Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Google AI Studio to Zapier. So, Google AI Studio does not connect directly to Zapier, but you can connect it using API key plus webhooks. This is correct and supported method. Simply navigate to Google AI Studio and navigate to its dashboard by logging in. Now, click Get API Key, click Create API Key, and here name your key anything you want and select a cloud project that you want to create the API key for, or just choose default Gemini project and click Create Key. Now, simply copy the key that will be shown here. So, I will click this copy button. My API key will be copied to my dashboard, and after this, I will navigate to Zapier and log in using my user credentials. After I do this, I'll have to click on the create option, that is this icon, and choose Zaps. After I click Zaps, it will take me to this page where I will have to simply click trigger option. Now, I'll have to search for webhooks. So you can search for it or just click on webhooks. Now, click on choose an event and choose catch hook as the event. Zapier will generate a webhook URL. Click continue and you can choose to pick off a child key or just leave it and click continue. Now, copy this URL. This is where the data will be sent. Click test trigger. After you do this, you'll have to add the action step. If you see it already added, just click it and choose webhooks by Zapier again. Now, click choose an event and click custom request. Now, click continue and here you'll have to set the method to post. In the URL, add the Google AI Studio API endpoint that we copied from here. So we'll paste it here. The authorization should be bearer, your API key, and the content type should be application/JSON. Now, click continue and click test step. Now, in the data section, paste your prompt structure. For example, user message, instruction, input text from the trigger, and this is what the AI will process. Click test action after doing this, and if the setup is correct, Google AI Studio will return a response. You can now use that response in Google Sheet, email, Slack, and any other Zapier app. Important notes, there is no one-click native integration yet. Webhooks are the only reliable method. Usage depends on your Google AI API limits. Now, final tip, if you're building automations, this setup works best for content generation, text processing, or AI-powered workflows. So that's how you connect Google AI Studio to Zapier correctly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.